We have another build. Welcome to Outlaw Customs, and today is a little bit peculiar. Is that the word? Yes. Anyway, it's not a bad build. It's quite interesting because we got a request to do a mud room, but obviously knowing me, I can't just do the norm. So I had some board lying around that I cut out some hexagons long ago, and let's use that instead. No, I'm actually South African. My parents came from Greece. And that's cool, dude. Whenever we're around, just drop a message and just say what you're up to.
Yeah.
And if I'm busy and I'm like, cool, come over, you know?
Okay.
Up to you. Sure you learned something today and got some.
Yeah, I learned a lot actually. I'm not like all of these teenagers that sit around the home in front of the TV. I like to
Good.
be outside.
Let's spray this puppy. Alright, so I've given it my first coat. I've changed the color slightly. I want it to be a little bit darker than the original color, which is on the desk, and lighter than the grey, that one. So I've blended in a different color that's in between the two, which I think looks quite nice. It should pop very nicely against it. So I'll turn it around and do the proper side. Okay, so it is bugging me. I mean, it looks good, but I just feel like it needs a touch. Am I gonna mess it up now? I don't know. I'm thinking giving it a... and then washing that in. The two... Okay, so this is on. It's looking pretty, and dead end, and I think it's working nicely. What the next step is for me to screw in from the back. I've already pre-drilled the holes, so I'm going to put everything from the back, steady that, And then I've got to find out which part is going in which part so that I can put the lights in, and then I can do the wiring up, and then we'll see how it goes. Alright, so here's the idea. I've got these LED strip lights. I'm going to put them actually works out perfectly. So I'm going to cut this guy. Let's cut him short because I don't need him. And what will you see if you put the light this way? It blinds you, so you won't be able to look at it. So I think this is a better option because it's going to reflect the light. I'd rather do it this way, so that the light reflects upwards and then you don't see it from the side. It will be softer than it being this way. The chances are you might see the light that's higher. So I'm going to do this. Let's do this, wire it in this way. So I'm going to screw this to the board and then secure those lights. Try this. Things you don't want to be doing at the end of the day. Cool. Another one done. Oh shit. No. Yo. Okay. Okay. Where is my... Right in front. I wonder... I didn't realize that actually. I think these have to be swapped around. Son of a... That sucks. Although it's running through to that one, that doesn't make sense. How's that possible? Yeah, I have to flip these guys around. Huh. Okay. That's all she wrote.